Hello and welcome to the Money and Power Club. What I am about to show you can possibly change your life. This is something that I've never seen before, and I'm so proud and I'm glad to be a member of this great club. Now, the Money and Power Club is helping people to earn amazing incomes every week by simply helping to build the membership. How about that? There's no buying, there's no selling, there's no auto ship, it's no monthly payments, nothing like that. We earn basically as members come in. Now, how much do we earn? 100% of that member's membership dues. Now, we're going to take a look at this, and I'm going to show you how fast you could change your life financially by just becoming a member of the club and inviting other people in. We have three membership levels over here at the Money and Power Club. We have our silver, our gold, and our premium platinum. Now let's take a look at these membership packages and how much they cost and how you earn from them. Our silver membership package, the silver, is $110. There's a $10 administrative fee and your membership is $100. Let's look at the gold. The gold membership package is $250. That package is obtained strictly through the upgrade from the 100 through profits. So that means that you're using your profits to upgrade. Nothing is coming out of your pocket. And better yet, when you bring in your first member, you receive your $100 back that you initially came in with. That's great, right? Of course. Now, we're going to look at our premium platinum. This is our big boy on the block because this is the one that generates for you thousands and thousands of dollars every week. The premium platinum is $1,000 to come in, and it is obtained through the profits from the $250 gold membership. Simple, right? That means that you pay $110 one time to join. Then everything else is accumulated simply through upgrades, simply through the money that you earn. So that means that your money stays in your pocket. You accumulate these new packages and you earn, guys. We're talking about 5,000, possibly 10,000 a week based upon how you get out here and hustle. Everything is based upon you. Now let's take a look at this, a really quick breakdown of how fast you can put $5,500 into your pocket. Now watch this. Simply come in for $110. $10 is going to pay for your platform fee. That means you're going to have membership fee, a membership website where you can go in, take a look at membership tracking, email notifications, and do your upgrades. Now, when you pay the $110, you're going to simply go out there. Let's look at this. These are packages. These are the members you bring in. These are the donations you receive from those members. These are the upgrades, and this is the most important part right here. Bankable money. This is your money that you get to keep, spend, do with whatever you will. So now after you've paid your $110, you have an active silver membership package. You're going to bring in 5 people. Just 5 people a week, guys. 5 people that want to make $5,000. So imagine how easy it is to introduce this to somebody. You can make $5,000 by simply becoming a member of this club. They're going to jump right on, guys. We're giving you something that really sells itself. You don't have to really worry about coming up with any fancy slogans or promotion. It's really simple. Hey, how would you like to make $5,000 per week helping us to build this club? So you bring in your 5 members at the $100 per member. That's going directly to you into your chosen account, whatever you want. PayPal, Google Wallet, a Cash App, whatever you want. It's up to you. Bitcoin, we even do Bitcoin. So when those 5 people come in, that multiplication gives us $500, right? From that $500, what you want to do immediately is upgrade into the next package, which is the gold. You want to also inform your team to upgrade immediately. Do not wait. Upgrade immediately. Take possession of that gold package, okay? Now, when you take possession of that gold package, you're going to have a remainder of $250 to go into your bank account. Look, you're already up in profit. You have your money back. You're in a new level. You're about to earn from that level. This thing is amazing, guys. Now let's move forward. Into your gold package, you will see that your 5 members working with you, duplicating your efforts. They're going to bring in 5 great individuals too, which means you're going to be earning from them. You're going to upgrade to 250, and they're going to follow you directly in at 250. Time those same 5 people. You notice we didn't go get a new 5. You're working with your same 5 people for this week, right? They're going to upgrade into the 250, giving you a total of $1,250. From the $1,250, you want to upgrade into your final package of $1,000 for your premium platinum. That is amazing. That's going to leave you what? Another $250 in spendable money. You're already $500 up when you look at the 2 250s that you've accumulated. Now, this is where it blows off the chart. When your 5 people now follow you, duplicating your efforts, going in at the $1,000, time those same 5 people, that multiplication gives us $5,000, guys. 5,000. When you add the 5,000 plus the 2 previous 250s from the silver and gold upgrades, guys, you're looking at $5,500. This can be done each and every week. You can start bringing your people in on a Monday, helping them to get their 5 people in. By the time the weekend comes, you guys can be cashing out $5,500 per week. Let's take a look at what we did. The silver total was 250. That was your spillover. The gold total was 250. That was also your spillover. Your platinum total was 5,000. Guys, that is 5,500. Now, what makes this even more exciting, you only take possession of these packages once. There is no monthly dues. There is no monthly fee. You guys are in. You are making money. That is it. Something super simple, super exciting, and anyone can do this. So now, get back to your sponsor. Take possession of your membership. Get that silver membership package set up for that $110 and start building your way to $5,000 per week. Welcome to the Money and Power Club. Take care.